everyone. Welcome to Study Wides Education. Date 17th July 2021. Day Saturday. Notable, adjective, noteworthy. Synonyms, remarkable, outstanding. Antonyms, insignificant. Example sentence. Example sentence. The gardens are notable for their collection of magnolias and camellias. Phenomenal, adjective, exceptional. Synonyms, extraordinary, remarkable. Antonyms, ordinary. Example sentence. Example sentence. The town expanded at a phenomenal rate. Atypical, adjective, unusual. Synonyms, untypical, non-typical. Antonyms, typical. Example sentence. Example sentence. Thoughtful. I belong to the sample of people who are rather atypical. Example sentence. I belong to the sample of people who are rather atypical of the target audience. Thoughtful, adjective, pensive. Synonyms, thinking, reflective. Antonyms, vacant. Example sentence. Brows were drawing together in thoughtful consideration. Flaunt, verb, show off. Synonyms, parade, exhibit. Antonyms, hide. Example sentence. Newly rich consumers eager to flaunt their prosperity. Ambitious, adjective, aspiring. Synonyms, determined, forceful. Antonyms, unambitious. Example sentence. She is a typical ambitious workaholic. Combat, verb, fight. Synonyms, tackle, attack. Antonyms, given to. Example sentence. She dedicated her life combating poverty. Ultimate, adjective, eventual. Synonyms, last, final. Antonyms, immediate. Example sentence. The ultimate aim of the firm's head was to force his resignation. Undermine, verb, subvert. Synonyms, sabotage, threaten. Antonyms, enhance. Example sentence. This could undermine years of hard work. Unfettered, adjective, unrestrained. Synonyms, unrestricted, unconstrained. Antonyms, restrain. Example sentence. His imagination is unfettered by the laws of logic. Thank you so much for watching. Shining off.